So we bought a blaster and we got it in a box. We got it in this box here. All the parts was fully disassembled. Had to go through and figure out what was missing. And that wrist pin was locked in that piston, plus it has a gouge, but it's technically still good, moves in the cylinder good, but for some reason the wrist pin's really locked into it. But so far, went through and took out all the parts, figured out what we needed. We needed a new clutch boss. One of the studs was broke. The spring inside the second friction disc was missing. The ball bearing between the push rods was missing. And then I had to get a screw, of course, for the clutch boss. But also some of the forks was in wrong. So we're going to take it apart. We're going to get all the gasket material out, clean it up. Do that off camera, and then when we reassemble it, I'll come back in, put it together. There's a couple of holes in that case, probably change that case eventually. It's got carbon fiber reeds. I bought new reeds, but the carbon fiber ones that are in it look pretty good, except for one little spot. I think I'm going to go ahead and try to run them. Just those two right there. And may even try putting a wrist pin in that cylinder, getting it to fix. And if I can, to go in good, I'll use the old piston. But I will be back when I clean all this up. Alright, so we are going to try to use the old piston and jug. Oh, I went up, grinded off the raises in it. I know it looks like shit, but we're going to try to use it. Because the jug looks fine. It's got a red chain, brand new red chain for it, but it's in the shed. The clutch cable bracket's on the way. Why is it catching when I try to do it off the bike? Really good. Turn the idle up a little bit. here it is, the blaster. Got it for $200. We're running that rich 35 to 1 or 32 to 1. It's got the nice pipe on it. Yeah, now they probably won't get here before the weekend. Huh? You know that kid's gonna be set up much, but. There's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, nothing left, fifth, fourth, third, second, neutral, first, second, neutral. So we got her all working. The only thing I'm missing is the clutch, the thing that holds the clutch cable goes right here. The only thing I'm missing is the clutch cable holder, the bracket goes right there. But it goes through all the gears now.